Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss chapter 13, section and midpoint formula. In this chapter we are going to continue the exercise problems, exercise 13a. Now here they have given the question, the point P it is 5, minus 4 which divides the line segment AB. So here this is at point A and this it is B. P it is a point which divides line segment AB as shown in the figure in the ratio 2:5. So 2:5 means, so you can consider it as M1 is equal to 2 and here M2 is equal to 5. Ratio 2:5. Find the coordinate of the point A and B. So this coordinate points, it is unknown value, A value and here the B value. This we need to find given that AP is smaller than BP. So here you can consider this AP length, it is going to be smaller than BP. So compared to BP, AP value it is less. Now here we need to find out the coordinate of A and B. So A coordinate, this particular point, and here B point we need to find. Okay, now here just I'm going to use that section formula. Before going to start the section formula, okay, before going to start the section formula, if you look at the point A it is lying in the x-axis. So when it is x-axis, A it is lying in the x-axis. X-axis means the point it is x comma 0. So you can consider A point it is x comma 0 and point B it is lying in y-axis. So I can write here the point B it is 0 comma y. So here given A point it is x comma 0, B we have here it is 0 comma y, and the ratio it is M1 is to M2. The ratio we have here 2:5, and we have the point P it is minus 5 comma 4. By using these conditions we need to find the value of x and as well as the value of y we need to find. So we are going to use that section formula. We are going to use section formula. So P of x comma y is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So just I am going to substitute the values here. P of x comma y. So x comma y we have minus 5 comma 4 is equal to M1 value it is 2. So 2 x2 value here, this it is x1 y1 and here x2 y2. So x2 value it is 0 plus M2 value it is 5, x1 value it is x divided by M1 plus M2. So 2 plus 5 comma M1 value it is 2, y2 value it is y plus M2 value we have here it is 5, y1 value it is 0 divided by 2 plus 5. This it is M1 plus M2. So if you simplify here, 2 into 0 the value it will be 0. 0 plus 5 into x, 5x divided by 7 comma here we have 2 into y it is 2y, 5 into 0 it is 0 divided by 5 plus 2 it is 7. In the right hand side we have 5 minus 5 comma 4. Just we have to compare the coordinates value. So when you compare here minus 5 and this particular value, minus 5 is equal to 5x divided by 7. So just we are going to do that cross multiplication. Minus 5 into 7 is equal to 5x. So here when you shift that value, this particular 5 to the opposite side, it will come division. Minus 5 into 7 divided by 5 is equal to x. Here 5 it will get cancelled, so x is equal to minus 7 we'll get. Next we'll come to equating the y coordinates. So y coordinates we have here 4 and 2y by 7. So 4 is equal to 2y divided by 7. 4 into, when you do this cross multiplication, you will get 7 is equal to 2y. So this multiplication, opposite side it will come division. So 4 into 7 divided by 2 is equal to y. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So y is equal to 7 2s are 14 we got. So in this, just I am going to substitute the values. X is equal to minus 7, y is equal to 14. X value it is minus 7. So I can write here the point A is equal to minus 7 comma 0. This point, and B it is minus 14. Y value. So B is equal to 0 comma plus 14. So we found the coordinates of A and B. Just I have substituted the X and Y value here. A is equal to A comma 0. B we have here it is 0 comma Y. Therefore, the coordinates of A and B are the coordinates of A and B are A we have minus 7 comma 0 and B value we have 0 comma 14. So we found that coordinates of A and B. So this is the final answer. We'll move to the next one. Okay, if you look at the 10th question, here we have the point P. It is going to be the line joining of A and B. So this is A value and this it is B value, such that 5 times of AP it is going to be equal to 2 times of BP. We need to find the coordinate of P. We need to find. Just I am going to draw the line here. So here this is the point A. A point it is 4 comma 3. And we have the point B, it is minus 2 comma 6, and P is a point which divides AB. Just I am going to write here P. So this 5 times of this AP length, it is going to be equal to 2 times of PB. So here directly we cannot take this is 5 and this it is 2. If you take this values, it is going to be wrong. Now here, then how to find this ratios? Just you need to write here 5 times AP, it is going to be equal to 2 times BP, right? So just you shift this to the opposite side. 5 AP divided by 2 is equal to BP. So when you shift this B to the opposite side, 5 divided by 2 is equal to this multiplication. Opposite side it will become division. So here AP length it is 2 and BP length, the ratio it is going to be 5. So here just I am going to write the ratios. AP it is 2 and BP value it is 5. Actually directly we are not supposed to take that values when it is in the ratio. When you are finding this value, A value it is AP is equal to 2x and BP is equal to 5x, because when it is in the ratio it will not directly proportional, so we need to take some constant to make it as equal. So AP is equal to 2x and BP is equal to 5x. Anyway we are solving this problems in the ratios, so no problem. Here in this type of problems you can use the values directly. Just I am going to write the given conditions. Given here A point it is 4 comma 3, B we have 2 comma 6, and point P we need to find x comma y, but we have the ratios M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 5. Now we can use section formula to find coordinate of P. Section formula: P of x comma y is equal to M1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here x comma y, it is unknown value. Just I am substituting m1 value, it is 2, x2 value, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 we have minus 2 plus m2 value, it is 5, x1 value, it is 4 divided by 2 plus 5. m1 value we have here, it is 2, y2 value, it is 6 plus m2 value we have 5, y1 value, it is 3 divided by m1, it is 2, m2 it is 5. So we will get 2 plus 5. So plus into minus, it will be minus, 2 2s are 4 plus 4 5s are 20 divided by 5 plus 2, it is 7, 2s are 12 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 7. Here if you solve this, minus 4 plus 20, it is 16 divided by 7, comma here it is 12 plus 15, it is 27 divided by 7. So this is a point of P. So P of x comma y is equal to 16 by 7 comma 27 by 7. Therefore the required point is Therefore, the required point is 16 by 7, comma 27 divided by 7. So, this is the final answer. Here they have given the 14th question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line joining the points minus 3 comma 0, 6 comma 6. So here the point of trisection, it is nothing but when you consider the points A and B, let A point it is minus 3 comma 0 and point B we have 6 comma 6. Just I am going to draw the line segment here. Just I am going to plot the point here. This point it is A it is minus 3 comma 0 and we have the point B, it is 6 comma 6. So here the point of trisection. So point of trisection, it is nothing but when you consider the points P and Q which is lying on the line segment AB. Now here I need to consider the point. This it is P and here it is Q, which divides it into 3 equal points. So this it is first equal part and this is the second equal part and this it is third equal part. So here totally we have 3 equal parts. So I can write here AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So here all these 3 lengths it is going to be equal. Now we can say here this point P and Q, this point P and this point Q. P is to call it as point of trisection of a line AB. Is it clear to all? So point of trisection, it is nothing but we need to plot 2 points which divides the line into 3 equal parts. So this is a first part and this it is the second part and this it is going to be the third part. So totally here we have 3 parts. 2 points divides the line segment into 3 equal parts. Now here we need to find out the coordinates of trisection. It means the point coordinate of P and coordinate of Q we need to find. To find the coordinate of P and Q. So here we need to find the coordinate of P and Q. Now anyway these 3 lengths are equal, right? So I can take here each length it is 1 unit. So when it is 1 unit means, now listen carefully here, this it is 1 unit, and this is also it is 1 unit, and this it is 1 unit. If you consider the point P, this point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio. So this completely we have it is one length, and here from here to here we have two lengths. So the units, if you consider this, it is 1 unit, and here from P to B we have 2 units. So P divides this particular P divides this line AB in the ratio 1:2. Now if you consider Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio. Now this is the point Q, right? So this particular point, if you consider this completely, it is going to be 2 units, and here from here to here it is 1 unit. So I can write here the ratio, it is 2:1 when Q divides line AB. By using this ratios, and we have the point it is -3, 0, and B point it is going to be 6, 6. We have the ratio and we have the points. So easily you will get the coordinates now by using section formula. Here finding the coordinate of P. So by using section formula. So P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here m1 value it is 1, m2 value it is 2, x1 and y1, x2, y2. Here if you substitute the values, m1 value it is 1, x2 value it is 6, plus m2 it is 2, x1 it is -3 divided by 1 plus 2. m1 value it is 1, y2 value it is 6, m2 value it is 2, y1 value it is 0 divided by 1 plus 2. If you simplify 1 plus 6, it is 6, plus into minus it will be minus, 2 3s are 6 divided by 1 plus 2 it is 3, comma here we have 1 into 6 it is 6, plus 2 into 0 it is 0 divided by 1 plus 2 it is 3. You will get here 6 minus 6 it is 0, 0 by 3 the value it is going to be 0. So I can write here 0 by 3 and here 6 by 3. 0 by 3 the value it is 0 and here 6 by 3 the value it is 1 3 3, 2 3s are 6, 2. So here the point, the coordinate of, therefore the P coordinate is 0, 2. So this is a final answer. Now we need to find a Q value. Just I am going to write here the given conditions. Given A value it is -3, 0 and B value it is 6, 6. M1 is to M2, the ratio we have here 2:1. By using section formula, we need to find the value of Q. Q of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So m1 we have here, it is 2, x2 value. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 value it is 6 plus m2 value we have 1, x1 value it is minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1, comma m1 value we have 2, y2 value it is 6 plus m2 value it is 1, y1 value it is 0 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 into 6 it is 12, plus into minus 1 into 3 3. So 2 plus 1 it is 3, comma 6 2s are 12, plus 1 into 0 the value it will be 0 divided by 2 plus 1 it is 3. Here 12 minus 3 it is 9 by 3. Here 12 divided by 3. So further if you simplify here, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So finally here we got that value it is, we got the value it is 3 comma 4. Therefore the coordinate of Q is 3 comma 4 and the coordinate of P is coordinate of P is 0 comma 2. Therefore point P 0 comma 2 and point Q 3 comma 4 are called the point of trisection, or called the points of trisection. This is the final answer.